You think it's a game? You think it's a game? It doesn't even matter. Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Hey, yo, what's my name? Y'all gon' make me go all out. DMX. Y'all gon' make me act up.
Hello guys, we're back at it again with another video. We are going to be installing an exhaust system on the Z900. Say what's up, Ricardo. So I got my little helper here, and yep, shout out to all you guys, Barrio Builds family. We out here. Stay tuned for this beautiful vlog. Sheesh. And these are the puppies that my boy Angel had with his girl Ruby. Yee! What do you think about them, mamas? They nice? Other than that, here's a little preview of the bikes. Check them out. We got the ZX6R right here. And then the Kawasaki, the Z900 as well. We're going to be pulling that out. And she's right there. Woohoo! Be like, alright guys, come over here and see. This is the stock exhaust system, straight from Kawasaki. Obviously it came on the bike. We're gonna be doing a nice little cold start. Pretty low, not that much noise, right? So we're gonna be fixing that. This is that rev. Come over here. Lift it up. That's pretty it for now, guys. Pretty low, pretty mellow, but we're gonna be fixing up that real quick. Again, this is a 2021 Z900. Nice freaking LED screen. Super nice. I love this bike. This is gonna be the full exhaust that we're gonna be installing. Shout out to M4 for hooking it up. Yeah, we'll get you on this nice little ride, and hope y'all like the results. Alright guys, this is the final product right here. Look at this. Full exhaust M4. My boy CJ right here at A1 Cycle. Come get it work done by this man. Beautiful work out here. Look at this. Woo! They could just come over here and ask for you, right, brother?
Yeah, that's right.
All right. Thank you very much.
Hey, no problem.
Thank you, bro. All right.
Y'all come down and see us.
Sounds good. A1. Good place. Alright guys, you guys have it. Look, old exhaust right here. Look at that. old slip-on, big ass catalytic converter right here. I mean, the headers aren't too bad for a 2021, brand new, but I still took it off. Shout out to my daughter right here. She paid for everything.
Beautiful.
Because she's rich.
Yeah.
And yeah, come over here. This way, and get a little glimpse of this nice carbon fiber slip-on by M4. Thank you very much. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Full exhaust, headers, and everything. Look at that. Check out those nice welds.
Ahorita te va a doler, mamá.
Alright, lastly, for a nice little startup for you guys. Sheesh. Alright. Come closer. Check this out. Hear this noise.
Anything you want to say for your fans?
Hey, M4 exhaust, boys. Full exhaust, headers, everything. Sheesh. Look at that. Kawasaki Z900. Awesome bike. Recommend you guys get one if you guys can. Sheesh.
Peace out, y'all.
Alright guys, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on, and we appreciate that.